If you are still watching this course, first of all, thank you, and I hope you like this course. Continue watching the course to the end, where I reveal top 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas, and their videos can be easily generated by using InVideo AI, and it will enable you to create an extra passive income source from YouTube just by creating content with InVideo AI. A little recap, we have covered everything that you need to know about prompts and how to create InVideo AI by typing prompts manually as well as by leveraging workflows. Now we will look into the editing part of our generated video, which is very crucial, and trust me when I say this. By generating video with AI, sometimes it lacks some information and sometimes they are inaccurate. So editing one's video is a must and very essential to create and to grow your YouTube channel or to create your content reliable, accurate and informative. Let us just copy this really quick and then paste it in our InVideo. This time we will use gym tips from beginners, keep it fun and fast paced, keep the language simple and tone persuasive. Avoid any fillers and flub sentence. Now generate a video, and this is the prompt that we have used. The title is Gym 101 Fun and Fast Paced Tips for Beginners, and this title is very accurate regarding our prompt. And the audience is beginners. Look and feel will be bright and platform will be YouTube. And then click on continue. Feel free to play around with InVideo AI. For instance, try different prompts, different platforms like Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and YouTube Explainer videos. I really love this animation, which is InVideo AI logo presenting our generated video. And it is pretty cute, right? And there we have our video. Let us preview our generated video.
Ever wondered why some folks seem to have all the luck when it comes to fitness? Why their gym routines seem to yield results while yours seem to go nowhere? Well, the secret isn't in their genes, it's in their gym routines. And today, we're going to spill the beans on how you too can make every gym session count. First off, it's all about consistency, not intensity. Yes, you heard it right. It's better to work out regularly at a moderate pace than to go all out once a week. Start with 3 days a week, then...
As you can see, this video is repeated twice. So it is essential for us to edit our videos to make it unique and make it best for our audience. Right below our generated video, you will be able to see this edit button. So now, let us reveal the mystery of this edit section. Don't get overwhelmed with all of this option. We will break it down one by one. The first thing we have is all of the medias that it has used in the videos. So as you can remember, the first and the second video was of these beautiful ladies. And then you can see this video is generated or repeated twice in our video. Now we want to get rid of this second item. And right below the media, we have our entire script laying out. And if we click on this media, it will automatically highlight the part or the word that it has said. Let's try this one. So for this media, it is saying you can make every gym session count. First of all, it's all about consistency and not intensity. For editing our videos and medias, we have a bunch of options. The first option is upload manual media or your own media. And the second is search from premium stocks. So let's say we don't like this video as this is repeated, and you can see the script highlighted over this media. So it is once a week, start with 3 days a week. So it is resembling with a calendar. So we will search, let's say calendar, and then click enter. And there we have unlimited number of stock videos and stock footages simply by searching just one word in this search bar. All we need to do to replace this media is to just go over any stock footage that you like and click on replace. It will automatically replace that media. And make sure to click on apply changes. As you can see, the media is changed, and now let us preview our video.
I wondered why some folks seem to have all the when it comes.
Also, don't worry about these watermarks. While exporting, it will automatically hide. And there we have it, our calendar video which we replaced by the earlier one. Now let us come back to edit, and this time we will upload our own media. So just simply click on upload media and you will be able to find your media in this media library. Let's say this time we want to replace this video by this image. Simply just click on replace and it will automatically replace the previous one. Now click on apply changes. Again the media is changed and now let us preview our video. And that's how you edit your videos simply by just matter of few clicks by your own media as well as by using stock footages. Still to this day, NVIDIA AI just amazed me. Like you only need few prompts and there you have your own video. And if you don't like certain medias, you can replace it simply by just clicking this edit media option. And that's how you edit your media or footage or any video with using edit media. Now I want to show you another important thing, which is these three dots. So let us click on this three dot and it will say scene 1 media number 5. Now let's say you don't need a 6-second long footage, you only need 2-second footage. So all you need to do here is click on these three dots and change the idle duration to 2 seconds. Now for the remaining 4 seconds, obviously 6 seconds minus 2 seconds, it will automatically add a new footage or a new media. Now click on apply changes and let's preview our video. As you can see, 1 and 2 and this is our new media. You will be able to see a new video is automatically added to the sequence. And that's how you shorten the clip length by simply clicking on these three dots and changing the time duration. Again, let us try 1 second and for the remaining 4 seconds, it will automatically generate new video. And then click on apply changes. Let me show you another great feature which is center point. So usually you don't want to play around with center points in a YouTube explainer video, but you surely do for the short form content. For instance, in Instagram Reels, TikToks or even YouTube Shorts. So let me show you an example. This is a perfect example for you to allow me to understand what center points are. As you can see, the horizon or the aspect ratio of this video is changed to a short form content. Here we want to make sure that the thing or the object we want to focus remains in this vertical screen. So for instance, if we click on this edit button and if we click on this 3 button and this time let us change our center points. Let's say 0. And you will be able to see it has completely changed the vertical part. Now click on apply changes and this was our earlier video and after changes it has completely changed the aspect ratio or the center point. Now if we click on this video, you will be able to see it will only highlight the human part or the human body part and the artificial intelligence or AI is absolutely gone. Now if we click on this undo button, you can see the main focus was artificial intelligence. But if we click on redo, you can see that our whole perspective is shifted to that human body. And that's how undo and redo button works, as well as that's how center points works. So let's say if we change the center points to 0, it will automatically change the center point for it in the perspective of X and Y axis. So feel free to play around with center points for your YouTube Shorts, Instagram as well as TikTok Reels. Well, in this lecture, you learn how to edit your videos by using this edit media, by replacing your own media as well as by using stock's image, as well as you learn about undo and redo button. And in the next lecture, I will show you how to edit your videos by using scripts. I will see you in the next one.